Okay, so when I'm looking at this first problem, what two numbers are going to be my height? 3e and 5 are my height. And David, what's going to be my width?
5e minus 3.
Very good. So this is going to be my height and my width. Let's plug those numbers in to where they belong. So I have 3e here, 5, 5e, and negative 3. All right, let's start finding our areas. For my first rectangle, A equals, what is the width or the height of this one, Eleanor? Very good. Times 5e equals, what's our area? Good. 15e squared. Excellent. All right, going down to this bottom rectangle. Trevon, what is my height? Right, that's my area, but what's my height? Thank you. 25e for my area. Quanisha, can you help me with this one? Good. Negative 9e.
Why did you do that, friend?
Because I don't like the 3e times negative e. I don't like the way that looks. It's just a personal preference of mine. But if you want to write that multiplication sign, you definitely can. It's up to you. Alrighty. All right, Drew, help me with this one. What's my height? 5. And my width? Thank you. For an area of? Good. Negative 15. All right, I'm going to bring all of my areas up to the top. So I have equals 15e squared plus 25e minus 9e minus 15. Ashley, is that my final answer? No. Why is that not my final answer? Yes, very good. What are my two like terms?
Negative 9e and 25e.
Good. If I combine those together, what am I going to get? Hello, ma'am. Yeah, it's in your folder. Go ahead and grab it. 16e, right? I have no more like terms, so I'm going to bring these down and box my answer. Elizabeth, there's just an opener today, okay? No. We're working on 6.1 and 6.2 if you haven't finished those, and your con had added topics, okay, for 6th triad. All right, does everybody have that down?
The 6.1 already have turned in, so I can see 6.2 and that'll be okay?
Yeah.
I have it downstairs.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Good, good, good. Excellent. Okay, for this one, we're drawing a rectangular area model to expand. So this one we have to use our artistic skills for. Elizabeth Walker, what is my height for this rectangle?
2a plus and 3b.
Very good. 2a. Oh, man, where'd it go? 2a and 3b. Awesome. What is my width, Quanisha? Very good. All right, so now I'm going to draw my rectangle. How many heights do I have? David, how many heights do I have?
3.
Do I have 3
I
heights?
2, sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Good. I have 2 heights. So I'm going to plug those in, 2A and 3B. How many widths do I have? 3. So I'm going to plug in 3 widths. Plug them in order that they appear. All right, and now we can start finding our area. My very first box. Let's look at this one first. I have a height of what? Titisha, what's my height, girly?
2A times 5
Good.
equals 15. B. I mean, equals 10A.
All right, looking at this one. David, help me out.
You take the 3B
3B
and times it by 5.
times
Again,
5.
15B.
15B, very good. All right, now we're looking at this middle box. Trevon, what am I putting in this middle box? What's my height?
8A squared.
That's my area, so my height is 2A times 4A, right?
Yeah.
8A. All right, Eleanor,
We got to show them.
my middle box, yes.
3 times 4A.
Equals?
12.
Remember, we put those in.
AB.
Yep, we put them in alphabetical order, right? All right, good job. All right, almost done with our boxes, guys. Looking at this last box on the top. What am I going to multiply, Ashley?
2A times -3B.
Negative 3B for an area of
-6AB.
negative 6AB. All right, and then Quanisha, help me with this last box that I have, please. Thank you. Negative 9B squared. Awesome. Okay, now I have a ton of areas, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all up here so I can see everything that I have. So 10A plus 15B plus 8A squared plus 12AB minus 6AB minus 9B squared. All right, is that going to be my final answer? No, that's not going to be my final answer. Why is it not going to be my final answer? For one reason.
Combine like terms.
We need to combine these like terms. All right, so if we're combining these like terms, Ashley, which two am I going to combine?
10A and 15B. Oh no. Wait.
Remember, to be alike, they have to have the same variables.
It'd be 12.
You're right.
12B BA times -6AB.
Yep. Remember to make those in alphabetical order. So 12AB minus 6AB. Yep. I combine those. If I take 12 minus 6, what do I get? What number, though?
You said 12 minus 6?
12 minus 6.
6.
6, right? So I have 6AB now. So if I wrote 10A plus 15B plus 8A squared plus 6AB minus 9B squared, would that be my final answer?
Yeah.
No. Why would it not be my final answer? Remember what our bottom notes said when we took notes? They said that we had to put them in alphabetical order and we had to have our exponents going from largest to smallest, right? Okay, so to start off, we're going to start putting our exponents in that alphabetical order. So with the largest exponent. So I have an 8A squared that has 2 exponents. I have a 9B squared that has 2 exponents. And I have a 6AB that has 2 exponents. Okay? It's not squared, but there are 2 exponents here. So if I'm just looking at these 3, which one is going in alphabetical order first? Quanisha, can you help me? Which one's going in alphabetical order first? Yes.
A squared.
Yes. 8A squared plus, which one's going to go next?
9B squared. No.
We're just looking at these 3. We have to do our biggest exponents first. Yes. 6AB. And then we have one left, our largest exponent, minus 9B squared, right? All right, we've used those. So now we have 10A left and 15B left. If we have to put these in alphabetical order, what's going to go next?
10A.
Good, 10A
And then 15B.
and then 15B.
And that would be your final answer.
And then that is your final answer. That one was a little bit longer, but excellent job figuring it out. If you guys, when you get done, go ahead and pass them to Miss Comley.
Do you guys want one like that on your quiz or your test?
No.
No. No.
I think you could do it though.
No.
No?
A bonus.
No.
Maybe a good one.
You need the bonus?
Maybe. Maybe $1, big bet, but
Yeah. That works.
you guys all have it down.